YouTube, what's going on? We're back with another video, man. I know it's been a minute for the Track Pack fam, man. So today we done caught a flat, man, and we are here at the junkyard. So we're gonna see what they got in here. Hopefully they got a tire that we can get, because we definitely need it. I don't even know if we have a spare, but this came in clutch because today's video is going to be about things that people overlook in the junkyard or overlook when they go to a junkyard. So with that being said, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and we're going to get this video started. All right, y'all, so we done made it into the junkyard or whatever, and we walk out all the way to the back. Last time I seen the same exact Jeep all the way in the back. Sometimes they don't even be knowing their inventory. So we're gonna see what they got. Hopefully they got the right stuff that we need. But as I can tell, I really didn't want to come out here. It's been a minute since I touched the car, so we're gonna see what we get into. So look, we're gonna start with this Ford Explorer police model. So everybody tend to come to a junkyard, look for the parts they need, right? And they don't get the parts they really need, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna start off with the first thing. First thing is this bad boy right here. If you can find your vehicle in this junkyard or whatever, and you go to the back of the car and you find this in a jack, get it. It's a necessity. This right here helps you loosen your socket on your wheel when you catch a flat like me. So you won't have to walk around with a toolbox like this, right? So we're gonna throw that in there. It might not fit my car, but that's the first thing. So let's keep it pushing. All right, y'all, so it don't look like they have my car, but we also can reference off other vehicles, right? So if we was to go in the back of this 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee, right? Let's see, do they have anything? Probably not, and that's fine. But like I said, you would want to find a vehicle that shares the same characteristics as yours to find these parts, of course, and we go from there. And the crazy thing is, I did not know Jeep Grand Cherokee had a storage box under the passenger seat. Wow. Next thing people overlook: tires, rims, everything, right? Everybody don't think that they need tires and rims. And actually, this might be a tire I need. This is 5. I don't know what brand this is, but we're gonna check. Anyway, this is a 5.7. Okay. Making me mad because I don't got my Chrysler. But yeah, you got all these tires in this one place, right? And you don't have to do no searching. All you gotta do is pull it off. Tires. You know what I'm saying? Spares with tread, you know? And it's not hard to find. Only thing you gotta watch out is cracks in the tires and all that stuff. But if they don't, you're A-okay. So that's the second. The second is tires and rims. And with that being said, we just found our tire and rim. Got air in it, still hold 235, 65, 17. Hopefully this is the right one. We might have to get the other one. R17. I don't know, which one do I like better? Oh no, that one got a nail. Yeah, buddy, that got a nail. So yeah, we're gonna check this one again. Make sure it ain't got no nail or anything in it, which it shouldn't. Let's roll it back this way. I mean, of course, it still hold air, but still gotta be cautious. Got little pebbles in there. This should last till next week. If it's the right size. We're gonna get it if it's the right size. So we're gonna roll this bad boy up to the front, and we're gonna find 3 more things that people need to have when they come to a junkyard. So for the third thing, we're gonna move to the non-traditional, just to show you that everything is accessible to any of your needs. Majority of the time, we're gonna say that. But for us with the newer cars, right? Sometimes you get a check engine light because something is leaking, like vacuum or something. Something's leaking, right? Most of the times it has something to do with the gas tank, right? So if you get, sometimes you'll go and you might get a code. I forgot the code, but once I find it, I will put it in here. But the code will pop up like this, and it'll usually be because you have a bad seal on your gas cap. So this is the most overlooked thing, which is the gas cap, that could be causing some of your issues, man, with your car. So make sure y'all figure out how to get a gas cap or find a gas cap for your car that you have. And we're gonna move on to the fourth one. All right, y'all, so you may be wondering why I'm looking on the inside of the engine, right? Some of your issues come from electrical problems, probably fuse or something like that, or relay or switches, anything, right? I'm gonna show you how easy it is to access fuses in general, right? So we know if we have a problem and like our lights are not working or something like that, right? We go somewhere in the engine bay. So you can literally just find a fuse box, open it, and if you're slick, you could probably get away with a couple switches in your pocket. You ain't hear from me. But, you know, the right way to do it is to pull it out, find a switch or the fuse you need, and purchase it, of course, right? And 9 times out of 10, the fuse probably work if it's not damaged or whatever. And that would be the fourth thing that people are overlooking because it's the junkyard. And lastly, the fifth thing, it's kind of like 2 in 1, if you can get it like that. But radiators and fans. If you can find a good radiator and a fan, you're set. That's where you use your negotiating skills and you try to work a deal, right? See, like this whole thing, front end, no damage. You can see that the radiator is not damaged. Now, I'm not saying go buy the radiator and not clean it out and not do none of that. Make sure you clean the radiator out before you use it. Make sure it's no leaks or anything coming out of it. And the way you can do that is pulling the radiator out and running water through it. And if it comes out some of the vents, then you know it's a bad radiator. If not, then you good, okay? So with that being said, we're gonna end this video off. I need to go change my tire, and I'll show y'all that in a second. And also, to avoid any money being lost, make sure you check your car first for a spare and tools. What the freak? I didn't know it had tools. I'm sitting here buying the jacket stuff. I didn't buy the rim because they want $93. Nigga, I might as well just go get me a new. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all check for tools and all that good stuff. Yeah, that would be a smart idea. So let's go ahead and throw this bad boy on real quick. Keep recording. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that's why it came out. That's why all the air came out of it. The nail came out. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and remove it. Fuck, that's what I was looking for. Oh, shoot. I just got into stocks, back into stocks. Everything looking right, so we're gonna see how everything go, how everything work out. No kissy. Yeah.
How's it going? What's going on?
I just found out that your car got tools.
So, did you get a tire?
I was going to, but they talk about $90, $93. I might as well get a brand new one. Oh wait.
So, what you got going on?
I'm putting your spare tire on.
Oh, I had a spare tire?
Duh. I knew you had a spare tire. I didn't know you had tools with it. So I'm about to return these tools that I bought. Well, not even tools, but the jack. I didn't know your car came with a jack, so everything good. But the only reason the tire went flat because the nail came out. Anyway,
Makes sense. Let me know where are you at? Like in a parking lot or?
Yeah.
On the side of the road.
Nah, I made sure
Let
I
me
drove.
know when you leave.
Alright.
Yeah, you did. Let me know when you leave though.
Alright, bye.
Okay, bye.
And whole time, y'all, this not even my car. This my girl car, her being head, so. Got me working hard and I don't even got my own car. It's alright though. New projects and stuff like that coming for y'all. Y'all think I'm not the one to start something and not finish it. So when I'm telling y'all I'm coming back hard once this court stuff over with, I'm telling y'all stay tuned. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm only gonna get lit, bro. Only. Just make sure these torque down. I don't got my torque wrench. I don't got nothing. It's alright. I'm gonna come back, go 10 times harder, and we about to return this damn tool because I didn't know we had this bit. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Love y'all.